Okay, hello everyone. Okay, now we're going to look into step 3 in calculating non-discretionary accruals. And this step is one of the other complicated steps compared to the step 2. Now, this is a same sheet as I explained to earlier. Step 3 will have earnings management calculation worksheet, period 20x1 to 20x6. Note. So here we have to calculate the NDA, the non-discretionary accrual for a organization I for T. Now the issue here is that this figure it's to be calculated by solving this equation. So we have the alpha values. We have inserted the alpha values from step 2, which we calculated earlier. Now I have inserted it. Now we have to do the final calculation and get the final figure here. And what we have to do is we have to do a reverse calculation to get this NDA value or this ND value here. Okay. So what we are going to do here now is we're going to just do the multiplication. Sorry. Likewise, and we're gonna multiply this and remove the 0, and we're gonna do just the formatting here, and here is the decimals, so let's put the comma, and here again it's the same. So again I'm using the absolute value for the internal calculation, so I'm just going to put it over here. I'm going to remove this. These values, and again this one I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to put this one here, and I'm going to again now we have to have this one, so I'm just going to color this for ease of reference into this, and alpha value. Okay, so we need to multiply the values in green. So okay, so I'm going to change the formula here. It's okay, the first is I6, the second one would be P6, third one will be Q6. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply alpha 2 and we're going to multiply P6 and we're going to multiply this, and we're going to get negative figure here. That's fine. We're going to do the same thing here again. And again, we're going to multiply all three. So we're going to just multiply this into this and to this. STU. Okay, we got this figures. And okay, again now we can just use absolute value here, absolute, and we're going to just add all this one and this one and the final value of this one. And this would be your NDA over T. Of course, so we'll just put this. Again, these are big values in millions because we are using fictional. These are not actual data. This is just fictional data just to show you how to do the calculations. So now once we have this value, this is the final core part we need to do the reverse calculation in order to identify the analysis. So you can do a reverse engineering, like reverse calculation. You can just do this, you can do a reverse calculation to get the NDA value, but we only need this values. So we'll just take it from here and we'll just going to put it in this section over here. Just going to paste the values here, and we're going to do the format on step 4, and that would be it. So you can get this value. So how to get this value is you have to multiply this, because this is NDA minus this, so it will be something like this in a very large number. But this step is not necessary, because we only need the NDA plus value to calculate this. We only need this discretionary value over here. Okay, so that would be the step 3 of this calculation. It's not very complex when comparing to REM. This is far more simplistic. But do not worry if these figures are coming in millions and trillions, because the problem here is that I'm using fictional numbers. Here the main purpose is to show you how to do the reverse calculation, how to organize the data, and how to do it. But once you have the original data with the numbers in it, it would be far more easier and far less complex. Okay, and thank you very much, guys, and let's go to the final step, the step number 4 on how to do the final discretionary accruals calculation. Okay, thank you, guys.